let me know if anything is tender to the touch, okay?
Like all of that is tender.
All of this is tender? Okay. We're going to take a look at the leg length. So, huge difference here. It is extremely short on the right side compared to the left. Okay. We're going to start with the T3 here on that left side. Good. Drop down to a T2 on the right. Good.
That already feels better.
Good. Yeah, that opens up a lot of the nerve, that takes pressure off those nerves and allows the body to function as it should. And I know you were super tight up here, actually.
Yeah.
Okay, take a deep breath in and exhale out. One more time, deep breath in, exhale out. Good. We're going to come back down here to the leg length. Already a lot better. Okay. Now I'm going to have you just cross your arms. Yep, over there. Yep. Keep your thighs to the table. We're going to rotate you this way. Look as far as you can over this shoulder. There we go. When we bring the feet together, it's still, as you guys can see, it still pulls a little bit short on the right, but so much better from right in the beginning. Good. I'm going to have you uncross and bend just this knee. Yep. So I want you to raise that left leg up again for me. Do you notice the difference?
Yeah.
Good.
Feels so much better.
That actually went up quite a bit higher too with that. Okay. Still just where it was when we left off. Come on in, take a look. Still a tiny bit short on the right. Alright, I'm going to have you first lay on your side facing me this way. Bring that up. Okay. So we're going to bend that top leg. Let me take this time. I just want to drop your shoulder down a little bit. Yep, right there. There we go. Flip to the other side. Good. Yep, drop that shoulder. Perfect. There it was. Lay flat on your back for me. So just relax your leg. Bring your arms out right side. Yep. My hands are going to come up and over. Perfect. Lean back on the knee. Squeeze your elbows together. Tighter, tighter, tighter. Oh, you felt that, right?
Yeah, that feels so much better already.
I'm going to need help with your hair, though.
Okay.
Just let me make sure none of it. All right, perfect. And just relax.
Oh, wow.
Breathe for me. Deep breath in. Exhale out. So I'll have you relax here just for a little bit.
I feel so much better. Oh, wow.
Now, the one question that I always ask everybody, how would you describe that to somebody who's never